minus secant square x tan x and positive tan x secant square x cancel each other. Minus secant square x and minus secant square x, minus minus plus, minus 1 becomes minus minus plus 1 plus 1 2 sine minus. So minus 2 minus secant square x and minus secant square x becomes minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now we can see that 1 plus tan square y, and from equation 1 tan y is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So we put tan y is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So 1 plus, as it is, tan y. This is tan y and tan y is equal to this term. So we write 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. This is square. Dy by dx as it is. And 1 plus 1 minus tan x with 1 plus tan x whole square is equal to dy by dx. Now we'll take LCM. 1 plus tan x square, 1 plus tan x whole square, and denominator divided by denominator. So 1 plus tan x is divided by this term, this whole term, this is divided by and the answer is 1 plus tan x whole square. Answer is multiplied by 1 plus tan x whole square, plus this term is divided by this term, denominator is divided by denominator, but we get 1. So 1 is multiplied by numerator, 1 minus tan x whole square, and dy by dx as it is, and minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x whole square, but it gives 1 plus tan x whole square is equal to a square plus b square. B square is tan square x plus 2 tan x, 2 a into b, tan x into 1 tan x. So answer is 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x, and plus 1 minus tan x square is equal to 1 plus tan square x minus 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square, and dy by dx as it is equal to minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now we can see that 2 tan x minus 2 tan x cancel each other. 1 plus 1 2, and tan square x plus 2 plus tan square x becomes 2 tan square x. 2 plus 2 tan square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. So 2 plus 2 tan square x, 2 plus 2 tan, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and tan square x plus tan square x become 2 tan square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square, and dy by dx as it is equal to minus 2 minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now 2 is common, 1 plus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square dy by dx is equal to minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now to 1 plus, as we know that